Here's how to fix this account can no longer use WhatsApp. So first you will need to go to the WhatsApp official website, whatsapp.com, and then scroll all the way down till you see under Need Help section, Contact Us. Click on it, and then WhatsApp Messenger Support. Click on Contact Us, and then in this form you will need to fill your phone number, your email address, and then re-enter your email address, and then select the operating system of your device, and then in the description box below here type the message and describe the problem if you believe you were mistakenly banned, and make sure that your account wasn't violating the terms of service of WhatsApp and not engaged in any suspicious activity. You can send them a request to appeal the ban, and then within 24 hours the support will reply back to you telling you whether your ban has been lifted or not. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.